sometimes it wasn't. He added some Freon himself, and that wasn't the issue. Let me show you what I found. Okay, we're inside the car, and right inside of there, get a light, is a cabin filter sitting right up in there, and we have a door that goes over the front. I pulled the cabin filter out. I noticed low airflow, and I wonder why. That's about the nastiest thing I've ever seen. Anyway, so I've got to replace the cabin filter, evacuate the system, and put the proper Freon back in it, and we should have a fix. Okay, we're back. Here's my cabin filter. This is Pro Select right here, 224013. Try to do this while holding the camera and the light and all that happy things. Light up in here. Alright, so it's directional airflow. The arrow on this one will go up, and we'll slide that filter right inside there. At least we will try to. The last one I took out was smushed, so it could have been in there wrong. Alright, let me set this camera down for a minute. Alright, so it does slide in that way with the hard sides of it in there. And you got your door that slides in a notch on that side and clips in like that. A notch right there's the little clip to take it out. Now when you lift the glove box up, because you have to take that out to do this, there's going to be on this side that little handle, a little shock that's got to go back on, kind of like that. And on that side there's a little clip. There's actually one on both sides, but this one was missing one. So you got to put those in right there and twist it, and then you're all set. So once we evacuate and charge it, that's how you put a cabin filter in it, and we'll be good to go. That's a fix. Thanks for watching Cooper's Automotive. See you soon.